Enhancing data literacy with Power BI. Data literacy is the ability to read, work with, analyze, and communicate data effectively. It involves interpreting data, understanding the context in which it was collected, and making informed decisions based on the data. The importance of data literacy. Data literacy is essential for professionals in all industries, from marketing and finance to healthcare and education. It allows individuals to make sense of complex data sets, identify trends and patterns, and communicate findings to stakeholders effectively. Enhancing data literacy with Power BI. Power BI is a user-friendly data visualization tool that allows users to create interactive dashboards, reports, and data visualizations. With Power BI, you can easily explore and analyze data, gain insights, and share your findings with others. Data visualization tools. Power BI offers a wide range of data visualization tools that can help you present data in a clear and visually appealing way. From bar charts and line graphs to maps and scatter plots, Power BI allows you to choose the best visualization for your data. Data interpretation. Power BI helps you interpret data by providing visual representations of your datasets. By using Power BI's interactive features, you can explore your data, identify trends, and uncover insights. Data literacy training. To enhance your data literacy skills with Power BI, consider enrolling in a data literacy training program. These programs provide hands-on experience with Power BI, teaching you how to use the tool effectively and interpret data accurately. Conclusion. In conclusion, Power BI is a powerful tool for enhancing data literacy and improving data analysis skills.